Hey everyone, today I have a brand new DJI Osmo Action 6. In this video, we will do a quick unboxing and real-world 4K and slow motion test. No long talk, straight to the test, let's go. This is the standard combo, very clean and simple packaging. Inside the box, we have the Osmo Action 6, battery, mounting accessories, and cables. I like this because it's small, light, and travel ready. The front screen is perfect for vlogging, and the build feels solid and premium. Now, let's talk about 4K video. This is 4K recording straight out of the camera. Handheld, no gimbal, just stabilization on.
So let's go to now this side.
We have the small to big, but big to small will come.
Mr. Brian again.
Slow motion pa rin ganyan. Slow motion.
Mr. Brian, how are you today?
Hi.
How are
Hello.
you today?
What's up?
What's up? All good.
All good.
Welcome back to our channel. This is Vijay. Okay.
Please, busy.
Still recording, right?
You like slow motion?
This is now also.
No, it's not slow motion.
Okay.
The stabilization is very smooth, and the colors look natural, not over sharpened. For travel, motovlog, or daily life, this is very usable 4K.
Hello guys, how are you?
Welcome back. To our
Welcome
video.
back to the channel of RP Samstil.
That's all.
That's
Thank
all.
you. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is perfect if you want a quick setup, fast shooting, and no heavy camera. Now, let's test the slow motion. This is the slow motion straight from the Osmo Action 6, and you can see the motion is smooth and clean. Even in indoor light, the slow motion still looks sharp and usable. So far, I really like this camera. 4K quality is sharp, stabilization is very good, and the slow motion is fun to use. If you do a travel, motorcycle, daily vlog, or POV shots, this camera makes life easy. This is just a quick unboxing and test. If you want a full comparison or more tests, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog.